As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's damp. The shirt is already turned inside out, and since I need to make a circle, I'm going to go ahead and tie a piece of sinew to the marker, and you could use string or anything else. And ruler's just there so that it has something to focus on while I'm doing this. Plot out roughly what I'm trying to do here, seeing where it's going to end. All right. Do that. And we'll start with that. Put that off to the side. And then I'll just fold this as an accordion all the way around here. Alright. Go ahead and use sinew on this. And it's not going to be pulled super tight, but rubber bands may not hold it well, so. Alright. For this, I'm going to go ahead and touch up the accordions lightly. I'm not putting a lot of effort into this to make them all perfect. Here we go. I had to grab some more rubber bands. I need to touch this up a little bit. It's a little flaky in there. Okay. Alright, so for this side, kind of torn between doing this as a scrunch and actually continuing it out, but I think I'm going to do it as a scrunch. Alrighty, go ahead and mark this off. Probably going to go about 2 inches on this. Alright, and then I'll throw in some angles here so I have something to work off of. Alright, this is what we have. Off to dye. Okay, for this one I will be using Daffodil, Orange Crush, Deep Orange, Oxblood Red, Fire Red, Brilliant Blue, Strong Navy, Amethyst, Deep Purple, and maybe Turquoise. And all of these are from Dharma. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let that melt through, and then we'll see what we'll do. Alright, the ice is melted completely through, so I'm going to just add some soda ash to this, and then another round of ice. And we'll do everything on the one side for this one. And the soda ash is being added to make sure that the color stays set and the extra ice doesn't just pull everything through and we end up with pastel colors. Alright, let that melt through and then we'll go on to the washout. Alright, it's been over 24 hours. Let's start the washout. I'll go throw this in the washing machine and we'll take a final look. Alrighty, so here is the final. I like how this turned out. Only thing I might have changed is have some more of the, I don't know which color it was to be quite honest, the amethyst or whatever the violet color is. Maybe a little bit more of that, just kind of even it out. But overall, I like it. So this isn't the usual pattern that I would have done previously. The angles definitely added some variation to the design, so that you have like a stepped repetition. And it's a little fuzzy down in here, but I didn't go back and perfect it. When I was touching up the accordions, and I said, oh, this is probably the part I'm going to regret. I don't. I think this actually works out well. There's a little bit of green bleed through on the edge, but I am completely fine with that because the overall look is really good. So what do you think? Let me know below, and until next time, thanks for watching.